Good evening, Chris and Ryan. You can see the devastation here on Fort Myers Beach. Where I'm standing is mixed in with homes, businesses. A lot of neighbors here tell me that they're trying to pick up the pieces. You know, they're taking what they can and that they can actually salvage. And now they're trying to decide what to do with the rest of their homes and the land that it sits on. Now, my photographer, Kevin, he's making his way over through this debris. I mean, some of the foundation just completely ripped out, but you can see that these homes, you know, and left of what's standing right now. And now with all of this, another question others are asking, should they stay and deal with insurance? A homeowner that we spoke with right over here, Curtis Ferris, he tells me the home there has been in his family for decades. He recently paid actually thousands of dollars to get rid of the debris along it. He also says there's no power here. The telephone poles and power lines were completely ripped out of the back of this house. And he's now also concerned about mold and that new 50% rule, which he helped us understand more today.
But a lot of people, I mean, it's going to be tough. I mean, especially with the 50% rule and the value of the structure, not the value of the lot, it's the value of the structure, if they're going to be able to rebuild or not. They marked this 25% damage. They marked him next door over 50% damage. So he'll have to have a full appraisal, and that appraisal cannot come in over 50%, or he can't rebuild. He's going to have to. He can't rebuild it from here. He'll have to knock it down and go by code.
Curtis says neighbors are really trying to stick together through all of this, try to stay as positive as they can. You know, when we were showing the shot of his home, you can see that the hurricane shutters, well, those are still up because he says we are still in hurricane season. Again, everybody's still just trying to come together. I know we were showing you the resort here earlier. Basically, everything that was across the street was pulled all the way over here right behind me. So here's a look at the devastation here as we continue to keep you updated on those recovery efforts of Hurricane Ian 3 weeks later. Live here on Fort Myers Beach, Elyse Chengery, Fox 4. Stay with us. More news coming up after this break.